Everyone, this is Team NoCap, and our problem statement is rapid compliance checker for cross-border shipments. So basically, what we understand after reading this problem statement was we have to create a rapid compliance checker tool that helps small export businesses ensure their international shipments meets all necessary regulations before dispatching. Now, why is this problem statement so important? After doing some research, we found some data that shows that up to 80% of custom delays are caused by incorrect or missing documentations. A single error can delay a shipment by 5 or more days, resulting in thousands of dollars in extra cost and potential fines that can amount to 1 to 5% of the shipment's values. Now, what is wrong with the current system for this problem statement to exist? According to a benchmark study, 68% of all shippers and 88% of small shippers rely solely on manual spreadsheet based processes for trade compliances. Reason being, many, many exporters lack the capital and expertise to implement automated systems. Now, what is our solution? What are we going to do differently than others? We will create a system that will automate the whole process of checking compliance policies and flagging any element of documentation that does not follow the ideal compliance policies with minimal human interventions. This will reduce scope of human errors in the process. Our system will check every element in the documentation for anything that is not following the ideal compliance policy and flag it. After this, a report will be generated for the client suggesting all necessary element that needs to be rechecked. This is our system workflow. It's a very simple, basic workflow. It starts with document upload. It starts with user uploading documents. Then a scanning process is conducted. In that scanning process, the document is scanned for flags, anything, any elements that are not following the compliance policies of the regulatory bodies. And if any errors are found, the system generates a compliance report and send it to the client. If there are no if there are no errors found in the documentation, the parcel is approved and it is dispatched further. For tech stack, we have used Python and Python libraries like PyTorch, sklearn, large language models, no natural language processing, and natural language toolkits for AIML. For backend, we have used Node.js, Flask, and Express.js. For frontend, we have used React.js, GSAP, Tailwind CSS. External APIs integration. For external API integration, we have used HS Code lookup APIs and custom APIs. For database, we have used MongoDB. For future scope, we have thought of creating ML models for suggesting the likelihood of package getting stuck in shipping procedure based on geopolitical as well as other variables such as news and uh, countries' other situations. For something another future scope, we have thought of using QR codes as a medium to get to the data instead of manually uploading files. This will further reduce the human. This will further reduce the chance of human errors. Thank you.